Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dirty Rocky Road Milkshake. Okay, so now look at those giant marshmallows that we can toast, okay? That's right, we break out the blowtorch, we toast them bad boys. And then we get Rocky Road ice cream. Why is it called Rocky Road? Because of all the pebbles in it? Like side of them, whatever. Okay, so we drop our ice cream in, drop our marshmallows in, come behind with some milk. You don't necessarily need milk because ice cream is already milky if you let it melt a little bit. Hit it with some Jack Daniels. Okay, beautiful. And that is our mix. Trust me, homeboy, this is delicious. Sexify our glass and then we pour in our mix. Beautiful. Now stop, come over the top of that with some whipped cream, some chocolate syrup, a little bit of sprinkles. Beautiful. And there you have it. That's delicious. High in sugar, but delicious.